Today we're going to turn simple toast into something truly special. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a fun snack, this recipe is for you. But here's the twist. This isn't just any toast. We're making 3 mouth-watering versions, and if you stick around until the end, I'll share a secret chocolate recipe that's absolutely irresistible. Ready to get started? Let's do this. First, we need to pick the right bread. Every great toast starts with the right base, just like choosing the perfect canvas for a painting. You can use any bread you have at home, but today I'm showing you 3 options. Sourdough is tangy and chewy, making it perfect for bold flavors. Brioche is soft and a little sweet, ideal for dessert-style toasts. Whole grain, on the other hand, is hearty and crunchy, perfect if you want a more nutritious option. But don't worry if you only have one type of bread. Use whatever you love and it'll still turn out amazing. Once you have your bread, let's get to the real magic, our zesty butter spread. This butter will take your toast to the next level. You'll need half a cup of soft butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and just a tiny drizzle of honey if you like it a little sweet. First, place the butter in a bowl. Make sure it's soft but not melted. Then, slowly add in the milk, stirring as you go, and you'll notice the butter turning smooth and creamy. Now, squeeze in the lemon juice. This is what gives it that bright, refreshing zing. If you like a touch of sweetness, add the honey. Give it all a good mix until it's silky and perfect, ready to transform your toast. Now we move on to the toasting. This part is simple but oh so important. Toasting brings out the crisp, golden magic in every slice. If you're using a toaster, just pop your bread in and let it toast until it's golden brown. If you're using a pan, spread a little of that zesty butter on one side of the bread and toast it in a hot pan until it's crispy and golden. And if you want to use the oven, just lay the bread on a tray under the broiler for a few minutes. The key is to get that golden, crispy texture while keeping the inside soft and warm. Once your bread is perfectly toasted, it's time for the fun part, creating your toast trio. Let's start with the savory one. Spread that zesty butter on the toast, then mash up some avocado and spread it on top. For a little extra protein, top it off with a fried or scrambled egg. If you want to add some spice, sprinkle a little chili flakes on top. For the sweet toast, spread the butter first, then layer on some cream cheese, and add fresh strawberries and blueberries. Drizzle a little honey over the top to give it that extra touch of sweetness. Finally, we have the fancy toast. Spread your zesty butter, then add thin slices of smoked salmon. For the perfect finishing touch, squeeze a little lemon juice and sprinkle some capers on top. Now, I know what you're thinking. This toast is already amazing, but there's more. This is your toast, so feel free to get creative with the toppings. Maybe add a little peanut butter on your sweet toast or some granola on your savory one for that extra crunch. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you can make it exactly how you like it. Here's a little tip for the perfect toast. Always toast your bread until the edges are golden brown. That's when you get that perfect crunch on the outside while keeping the inside soft and warm. If you like your toast even crispier, feel free to let it toast a little longer. Trust me, it makes all the difference. And now for the bonus, our secret chocolate spread that's going to make your toast even more irresistible. You'll need half a cup of dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons of cream, and a teaspoon of honey. First, melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then stir it until it's nice and smooth. Add the cream, and mix until it's glossy and silky. This chocolate spread is so creamy and indulgent you won't believe it. Spread it generously on your toast, and for a little extra flair, sprinkle a tiny pinch of sea salt on top. Now that we've made these 3 irresistible toasts, I want to hear from you. What are you going to top your toast with? Are you going to go savory, sweet, or something completely unique? I can't wait to hear all about your creations in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button if you love today's toast recipes, and if you want more tasty ideas and fun food adventures, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new video from Fun Food Stories. I'll be back with more delicious recipes tomorrow. Until then, happy toasting!